Hello everyone, welcome back and good morning from Pakistan. So I just recently arrived and I brought a bunch of parts with me that I'm gonna be installing in my car, which is 2005 Toyota Land Cruiser 105 with a diesel engine, and these are the parts that I'm gonna be installing in my car. So let me show you guys what did I buy. This is a that most of you professionals know what is this. This is a clutch plate. The current clutch plate in the car, I'm not sure if it's in good shape, but it's acting fine. But I just still want to get it checked in case if it was worn out. I'm gonna replace it with this. Then I bought some these plugs for the front and rear diff because whoever changed oil in the front and the rear diff, they stripped these fill plugs. So this is pretty easy. I can do it myself, and over here most of the work I'm not gonna be doing it myself because the labor cost over here is very reasonable, not very expensive, depending on my mood also. If I don't feel like doing something, I'm gonna just take it to the mechanic and let them do it, because mechanics over here, their prices are very reasonable. So this is the front or the rear. I believe this is the front differential gasket, because the front differential is seeping oil. So this is what I'm gonna be replacing. So I'm just introducing the parts that I'm gonna be replacing. These are the parts that I bought. And this is for the rear diff. Then there are some miscellaneous retainer clips that are used in door trims and whatnot. There is a cup holder which is kind of broken. I mean, the cup holder itself is in a very good shape, but the screw part which holds it bolted down, it like broke off. So I'm gonna be replacing this as well. These are some filters, diesel engine 1HZ filters. I saw them on Rock Auto, and it was on sale price. So and then I did a quick internet search and I found these can fit 1HZ engine. So I've bought these. These are pretty heavy duty. I mean, pretty big filters, like tractor filters. 1HZ, by the way, also sound like a tractor. So then there is this is a kit for timing belt, which has timing belt tensioner and pulleys and timing belt itself. And these are pulleys, and it has a tensioner which has a gurnette pin inside of it. Some miscellaneous bulbs, which are LED bulbs. By the way, these are my most favorite bulbs. This one, I'm not telling you guys to like go ahead and buy it. It's just my favorite. This is very bright and it has a long life. I have tested many LED bulbs. Some of those now unknown brand LED bulbs, they don't last for too long, and those aren't really bright as also. So and I have tested this, and it turns out to be the best quality LED bulb. So this is usually, this bulb has many names. Some people call it T10, some people call it something else. So these are miscellaneous bulbs. Then some more door trim material, I mean clips. This is just a dash camera which I bought it from Temu or something for $2. It was kept saying, hey, this is for $2, so I thought maybe it's just a scam, and actually it actually worked. Though they sent me this, so why not. This is a blank key for that Land Cruiser that I have. It will fit that. Plus, this is actually for a Lexus, and my car is the standard, very basic version of Land Cruiser, and it has just a regular dome light uh, lamps. So I decided to buy this one and replace it. So this is from an old Lexus. I mean, another used Lexus. So I'm gonna replacing that cheaper one with this one. And one of the reflector that is in the rear bumper that has a crack. I had this at my house because I bought one from a seller and he sent me the wrong one, which this one was the wrong one. So he said, hey, it's all right, I will send you another one. So he told me to keep this one, so I kept it. And when I bought this other Land Cruiser, I found out this Land Cruiser has this side of reflector broken. So I thought, well, I already have one, so I brought this one. This is actually a temperature sensor. I'm gonna be installing this temperature sensor. I have seen an Australian YouTuber who works on Land Cruiser, and he actually showed a nice trick. He said you guys can also enable the temperature sensor in your Land Cruiser, those who didn't come with a temperature sensor. So I bought this off eBay for, I believe, $10 or maybe less. And this is actually a cushion which is kind of styrofoam, which is in front of the behind the front bumper. Mine is missing. I bought this one. Oh, this one is very easy to install. Then there is these belts, fan belts, multiple fan belts. The one that my car has currently right now, it's very dry and it sounds a little bit loud. So I decided why not? It's not too expensive. These are genuine belts. So it takes 4 belts or something like that. Later on, I'm gonna show you guys the car also. Right now, car is far away from me, and plus it also has a dead battery. I'm gonna buy a battery for it, and then I will bring the car. This is for the oil filler cap. This is a gasket for that. So whenever you guys put a oil filler cap and it has no gasket, then you guys would be seeing some of the oil coming out on the side. This is the part number for it. I don't know, I bought these. I'm not sure what did I buy these for. Why did I buy these? I completely forgot it because I bought it maybe a year and a half ago, and I know I bought it for a reason because I probably need it somewhere, but I don't even remember where it's gonna get installed. And this is the part number for it. This is just a regular screws and some black ice. This is my favorite air freshener, very favorite. And this is a spring that one of the diesel filter missing. So this is where it's gonna get installed in that diesel filter. This has 2 diesel filters. One is primary and the other one is secondary. So this is for the secondary diesel filter. It was missing a spring, and I looked at the diagram on the internet and I found out it's missing this spring and a washer. This is actually for a gear shifter lever. It sits on a floor. I'm not sure how bad is the condition of the current one that's already in the car, but you know, these are the parts that worn out. They can wear out, and then it's very hard to find. So I thought, well, I'll just keep one in stock. It's not really expensive. In case the one that's already in the car, if it's not bad, I will just keep it. If it's bad, I'll replace this. So I know I haven't uploaded any video to YouTube for almost two or 2.5 weeks because I was busy, and then I decided to visit my family and also play with my car over here. And so now I'm here. I'm gonna keep you guys posted, and I will show you guys what I've done, and whatever I'm gonna do by myself, I will film that, and whatever I'm gonna get it done by the mechanic, I'm gonna take the camera and show it to you guys in a mechanic shop. So that's about it. Thank you very much for your time, and you guys have a nice day. Bye.